In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could sell cars in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can't sell cars straight back to the auto show for instant credits. To get credits for a car, what you need to do is use the auction house. So first things first, what you need to do is open up the pause menu and you need to go ahead and go into the world map right here. And you need to go to either a Horizon Festival site or one of your player houses. So go ahead and make your way over to one of those locations first, and you can just fast travel over there as well, so just keep that in mind. Once you're here, open up the cars menu, and then you got to go to buy new and used cars. It should just fast travel you right there as well. But once you are here, you need to open up the auction house just like so. Select this, hit start auction, and then of course it's going to pop up with a bunch of stuff that looks something like this for you. Choose the car that you want to sell from your garage. It doesn't really matter which one it is. After selecting the car, go ahead and choose auction car. And then set the starting price and the buyout price if the game lets you adjust them, confirm, and then of course if someone buys or bids for the car, you'll be able to collect your credits from the auction house. Just keep in mind some cars may not be sellable. That's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.